Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I put them up a Forces of Nature GX Premium Collection Box. This is very similar to the Legendary Dogs one, but this one has the Weather Trio. The Tornadus, Landorus, and Thundurus. I'll let you pause that and read that if you want. Then there they are on the back again. That'd make a very good poster. Actually, there's probably a poster in the back of this. If it's the same as before. Oh, before I start, I've been meaning to do this for the past several videos, but I got on Pokemon Go, and here is my trainer code. If y'all want to add me, don't expect gifts every day though. Every once in a while, because I live in a very rural place, and the closest Pokestop to me is like 7 or 8 miles away, and I have to actually make a separate trip when I want to play this game. So, but if you want to add me, there it is. I'll send you a gift every once in a while, not every day. But there's that. And my name, somebody already, since I started this very late, somebody had already got 1992 Pokemon. So that is my username right there. This is my initial and my birthday. So there's that. So let's crack this open and see what we get. There's that poster thing. There we go. Here is the coin. Looks like a gold Landorus coin. Excuse me. And these promos. Oh, nice. They weren't even pinned in there. I love to see that. Here is Tornadus GX. SM134. And Thundurus GX. This is my favorite, I think. And 133. And where's the pin? If I find it. I'll find it eventually. Got an Evolutions. A Sun and Moon. Wish I could have been a Burning Shadows. A Crimson Invasion. Guardians Rising. And 2 Forbidden Light. So I'm going to open it oldest and newest, just like that. Here's the pin. Under all this pile of stuff. If I can hold it. Alright, here we go. Start with Evolutions. Any Charizard. Preferably a Hollywood or some kind of misprint. And a green code. So I'm going to put the reverse in the back. Got a Fighting Energy, Staryu, Tangela, Rattata, Dewgong, Poliwhirl, Pokedex, Potion. Well, I thought I put the reverse in the back. Duo, reverse, common, and a Weedle rare. What did I do wrong? Oh, Dugong was a rare. I butchered that somehow. Sorry about that. Alright. Sun and Moon base set. Come on, Ultra Ball. Ultra Ball. Something. Psyduck, Sparrow, Dratini, Cutiefly, Chinchou, Corsola, Ultra Ball, Pelipper, Reverse Muck, which is a rare. Very nice. And a Solgaleo GX. Won't complain about that. This is probably the best card you can pull out of this set besides the Ultra Ball. Regular GX. Alright. Guardian Drowsing. Tapu Lele! Nah, nothing. Got a Helioptile, Beldum, Indicool, Clefairy, Barboach, Machoke, Gliscor, Kumala, Reverse Lampet, which is an uncommon, and a Salazzle rare. I'll be start opening, obviously Celestial Storm isn't out yet, but I probably won't open it this Friday, but I probably will start opening it next Tuesday. Because on Friday I probably won't have time to go get stuff and then open it and then upload it. So I'll probably upload a pre-recorded video on Friday, and then starting next week, Celestial Storm will start. I might have butchered that card trick because I was distracted. Ghastly, Houndour, Staryu, Jangmo-o, Shelmet, Zoelis, Gastrodon, Peking Red card, Reverse Corphish, which is a common, and a Regirock rare. Alright, last two packs. 2 Forbidden Light. These cards just... And of course, that's probably going to be something good, and I scratched the cards up doing that. It isn't, though. What a surprise. Got a Dupiter, Fennekin, Pancho, Skiddo, Noibat, Araquanid, Clefairy, Frogadier, Reverse Magneton, which is a uncommon, and a Meowstic rare. Last pack to save the day. Let's get something really, really good. Like a Rainbow Greninja or a Ultra Necrozma. And it's going to be nothing. Kind of a subpar box. $40 box and pull a $4 card. I love it. A Honage, Helioptile, Furfrou, Goomy, Dupiter, Mysterious Treasure, Araquanid, Unidentified Fossil, Reverse Sweppa, which is a uncommon, and a Clawitzer rare. So, very underwhelming box, like I said. We only pulled one reverse rare and one ultra rare. I mean, I'm not saying I wish I wouldn't have bought this, but you know, after my results, I kind of wish I would just you know bought these cards separately, because you know technically I paid $40 for these two cards right here. Get a thumbnail here. Alright, so I pulled one ultra rare, so that means two codes. Alright, so everybody, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.